direction is clean, no bumps, no mud, no mess.
Uh-huh.
And this other direction is the dirtiest, messiest, smelliest place in Crushington Park. What do you think we should do, Junk Boy?
We're monster trucks! We have to go this way! Let's go! Woo! I love being dirty! Hey, look at you! Y'all look like bottom-feeding catfish!
Phew, this mud is really heavy. It's slowing me down.
Yeah, right. You're just slow.
Good morning, everyone. Today, we're going to learn about the importance of keeping clean. The first and most important rule to remember is that a monster truck works better when it's clean.
Clean on the outside and well-oiled on the inside.
That's right, Jose. Well oiled on the inside helps your engine, your axles, and wheels. And clean on the outside makes you look like a what?
A champion monster truck.
So to start things off nice and clean, we're all going for a wash at Gunkbusters.
Oh no, I've never had a bath before. Is it gonna be soap?
Yep, and we need it.
What about brushes and stuff like that?
Of course, they tickle.
And all that water, is it wet? Is it deep?
Not too deep, Junk Boy. And the slide is fun.
Oh, I don't think I can do this. I can't imagine not taking a bath, Junk Boy. When I shine, I'm feeling fine.
Me too, Junk Boy. Faster, tougher, prettier. Just like a prize racehorse. Yeehaw!
You're not going to take a bath?
I can't take a bath, and I'm not built for it. Look at me. I'm not meant to be clean.
Okay, Junk Boy, I won't force you to take a bath, but it will be your own fault if you run into trouble because you're dirty.
All right, woohoo! This will be fun.
This is great! Woo-hoo! Rock and roll! The brushes on the sides and underneath, they tickled me all over. I was laughing so hard, I almost missed the soap slide.
Nothing like the purr of a fresh lubed engine. I hope you all feel better too.
Yeah, it's fun too. Me too. But I think I got soap in my grill.
All right, class, back to school. You too, Junk Boy. All right, everyone. We'll run this course one truck at a time. The first test is the line of junked trailers, followed by a line of old steam train engines. Be extra careful at the donut landing. Spin as many complete donuts as you can.
Yes! Fire it up!
But don't slip off the edge and get dumped into the gunk. That is why it's good to be clean. You'll need all the tire tread you can get. Otherwise, you'll slip.
Clean or not, I won't slip.
Sarge, you're first.
Sir, yes, sir. I'm happy to lead the charge.
Meteor is next, then Pony, LT, and Andy. Followed by Junk Boy and Jose.
Come on, Big Wheelie. Don't make me follow Junk Boy. I'll never see through the cloud of stink.
Hey, what is it? Pick on Junk Boy Day?
Let's get ready, get set, and go!
Sarge barrels onto the course, heading towards the trailer and steam train crush.
Rock and roll!
Wow! Can a steam train stand up to the might of a tank? Stick a fork in, Sarge, because that train is done. Sarge hits the donut landing hard and spins super-sized donuts. His treads are digging in, holding him tight to the ground. It's gonna be close. And he clears the landing. We're down to Junk Boy and Jose. Check it out, fans. Junk Boy is so lucky he can barely move, but he's not giving up. I have to say he's got a lot of grit. In fact, he's covered in it.
I'll show you guys what a dirty monster truck can do.
Ooh, not a great start for Junk Boy. Hopefully he'll have more luck at the donut landing.
Why am I so tired?
Uh-oh, no donuts for Junk Boy. He dunks into the gunk.
What happened?
LT, he's 15 feet 3 inches down the slope. You can reach him with your tow rope.
Let me just get in a position.
Hang in there, Junk Boy. LT's got you lassoed